Pierre, my Frenchie, my best friend, my world. I never thought it was possible to love someone as much as I love you. When I met you 3 years ago, I was so lost and broken. I had given up on love because all it led to was heartbreak and disappointment. But when you came into my life, everything fell into place. Life with you is so easy, Pierre. Being happy with you during sad times is easy. Laughing with you while cooking dinner is easy. Being confident as myself as I go through school because you tell me everything is going to be okay is easy. Loving you with my entire being is easy. I never told you this, but I call you my Frenchie because you're simply my everything. You are my other half, and you have shown me more love than I've ever known. Your gentle soul and calming spirit are all I could ever want in this world. Please don't ever change.
It says, all that I am, I owe to you. I love you, Mama Bear, Heather.
When we met, it just made sense. I'm proud to call you my wife for the rest of my life. As you know, it is beyond tough to voice out the way I feel about you. And yet, I'm able to find the courage to do it now. This is how much I love you. I love you because you chose to be with me for who I am. And you never asked me to change. Today, I'm ready to make you a promise. I promise to love you, cherish you, and to do my best to be the husband that you deserve. And then I promise you to be a good father. I know your dad set the bar very high, but I'm committing to trying my best to be at least as good as he is.
Do you like my dress?
I love it.
Look at my train.
It's beautiful.
It's the dress of
Moly.
my dreams.
Well, good. Anything for you.
You look handsome. Dear Walter Baptiste, I promise to love you, to be your best friend, to respect you and support you, to be patient with you, to work together to achieve our goals, to accept you unconditionally, and to share life with you throughout the years. I promise to encourage your passion because that's what makes you wonderful and unique. I promise to nurture your dreams because through them your soul shines. I promise to always let you have pizza, fish whenever you want to, and act like a boy. I promise to continue to work on myself to be the wife you deserve. I cannot wait to be that old couple holding hands in Walmart. Thanks for always being my stability. Now let's go get married, baby.
I want to start by thanking everybody for coming out today to celebrate Heather and Pierre. Family and friends mean everything to them, and I know that they are very grateful that you all are here to share in this beautiful celebration. My prayer for you, both of you, is that you will challenge each other. Never stop chasing each other's heart. Never go to bed angry. Make memories every day. And always find the good in every situation.
I, Pierre, stand here ready to take you, Heather, to be my wife, best friend and lifelong partner in marriage. As husband and wife, we will be facing the different challenges that life will keep throwing at us together. But I'm not worried. I'm ready because you're the one giving me the confidence that we can overcome everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pierre Andrieux.
I found you, brand new sky.